Welcome back to Anu's kitchen. Today we are going to see how to prepare pepper tea. Now let's move on to the ingredients. 1.5 teaspoon of tea powder, 2 teaspoons of jaggery, half lemon, a piece of ginger and a few peppercorns. Water. Let's look at the preparation. Now, take a pan and pour 2 glasses of water. And allow it to boil. Now the water is boiled, add the tea powder. A piece of ginger, and a few peppercorns. Now mix it well. You have to boil it for another 2 minutes. It is boiled, switch off the flame and strain it. To this we have to add jaggery and mix well till the jaggery gets dissolved. Now take the lemon and squeeze the lemon. Now the pepper tea is ready. You can transfer them into a cup. Now let's see the benefits of the pepper tea. Pepper tea maintains blood sugar and cholesterol levels. It also helps in reducing weight. It helps in digestion and it's a good remedy for cold and cough. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching this video. Please do try this and give your feedback in the comment box. Like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much.